Good morning, Jai Hind everyone. This is Abhishek Kumar Tiwari, Sunbeam School, Ghazipur. Today I am taking the very important lecture, that is a knockout tournament. What is a knockout tournament? This is very important. Knockout means you get the only one chance. When any tournament is there, then when you lost the match, you not get the second chance. Means it is a tournament in which a team continue to play further matches as per schedule till defeated and the team get eliminated to play further it is defeated or lost. In this tournament, only when the victorious team is allowed to play further matches until one team emerges as a winner. In knockout tournament, the number of the matches will be equal to number of the teams for deciding the best three teams. And now in this time, best four team will be decided there. Knockout tournament has a less number of the matches as compared to other type of tournaments. Thus, easy conduct the knockout tournament is economically beneficial, less time consuming and less stress over organizer. This tournament has one big demerits that good teams may get eliminated and weak team may come ahead. This skill selection cannot be done. In knockouts fixture, care should be taken while given buy and seeding. Advantage of knockout tournaments: economically, in economical tournaments, in knockout tournaments, there are less number of matches as compared to other. Thus, this type of tournament is more economical for organizer as well as for team. Less time in knockout tournaments. Less time is consumed. Less time is consumed to finish the tournament, thus easy to conduct. Good team emerge winner. In this tournament bring up good teams, whereas weak team is eliminated. Less tiredness to player. Less tiredness to player means as there are less number of the matches, thus less stress on tiredness over player and organizer. Spectator interest. The next advantage is spectator interest. Means in this tournament, spectator interest is very high. Demerits of knockout tournaments. Demerits of the knockout tournaments. Good team may get eliminated. In the knockout tournaments, good team may get eliminated and weak team may come ahead. Skill selection not possible. In knockout tournaments, good selection for the player is not possible, as a good player may lose their match in initial matches. High stress on the player. In this tournament, every match is in do and die condition, thus very stressful to player. Next topic is there, that is the name of league or round robin tournaments. The league tournament is also name of the round robin. In this system of tournament, every team has to play with every other teams in respective of the win or the defeated or the draw. The tournaments is the best type of tournament because it's provided the maximum number of opportunity to show the best performance. The real winner can be picked up easily at the end. So now we are understood that is the league tournaments are the round robin tournaments and the burger tournament also called. Clear? That this the various type of the tournament: single league tournament, double league tournaments, and the combination type of tournaments. This is the three type of the league tournaments. What is the advantage of these tournaments? Next, what is the advantage of the league tournaments? Only one strong team get the victory in these tournaments. Every teams get full opportunity to show their performance. Sports can be made more popular due to the large number of the matches. A sports official can easily judge the performance of the individual or teams. Appropriate opportunities are available to the player to improve their performance. A spectator also get enough opportunity to watch their favorite player and team player. Disadvantage of the league tournaments: it's require more times, it's cost more, difficult for organizers to make the arrangement of team and officials. Team losing repeatedly get psychological stress. And thank you and Jai Hind everyone. Each and everyone make the question, write the question in the physical education notes and show to me 5 o'clock. Thank you and Jai Hind.